If you are looking for a great dog food storage container that actually looks nice in your kitchen, has an airtight lid, you're absolutely going to love this. I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly need to know about that. And we're even going to pour this bag of dog food in here, which is 15 pounds, because it says this holds 15 pounds of food. Now, it depends on the kibble size, but it holds about 15 cups. It does come with this cup right over here, which is really, really nice. And it has two handles here. So you'll see the scoop could just stay on the handle. This is what the top looks like right over here. So we got a nice little bamboo top with a nice little knob here. This is airtight. This is what it looks like on the inside. I cleaned this out for the video because if you put enough dog food in here, it gets, it gets what it gets. But I'm going to show you what I poured in next. So that's what it looks like on the inside. This is made of iron, so it's pretty sturdy. You see you got a really nice, cute, it says dog food. We got a bone right over here. If you can see right over here, I'll turn it this way. We got a nice handle here and a nice handle over here as well. So you get two handles here. You can just carry it along the way. We used to have like a clear container that kind of didn't look great. We kind of upgraded our kitchen and was looking for something a little bit more aesthetic, I guess you could say, but also functional, and that's what gives us this. So let's get some dog food in here. All right, so this is the food that we feed our dog. You'll see here it says it's 15 pounds. We literally just got this from Amazon. So we're just gonna dump it in here, just like that. Maybe I'll show you from this view right over here. So we're gonna see how it goes. You'll see here, all the food is now empty. I'll have to be honest, I was a little skeptical. I didn't think all 15 pounds would fit in here. Just so you could see, this is totally empty. There might be one or two kibbles in there. But you can see right over here, there is still plenty of space in here. You can kind of take a look. There's probably room for another, I don't know, call it maybe 1 to 2 pounds. And the nice part about this, super functional. I could just pick this up with my hands, which I really like. And one of my favorite parts about this, in our old dog food container, we used to have to put the scoop inside, which is just kind of annoying because I don't want to be touching like the scoop, the handle and everything. So with this one, we could just hang it right over here. It's a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. And then you can see here, we just put the lid on. It is airtight. And another nice thing about this, it doesn't take up a ton of space. It's about 12 by 16 by 7. So you could easily store it straight like this, or you could put it to the side. If you're looking for a great dog food container that's super functional, has two handles, has a metal scoop, and is just really aesthetically pleasing, that holds up, really nice materials, also has that airtight lid to keep the dog food fresh. You will absolutely love this thing. We've been using this for about, I'd say 6 to 8 months, and I don't have anything bad to say about it. So if you're looking for a great dog food container, definitely check this out.